Okay, so we've seen how we do the update of the USGS real-time gauges. When you click that update rating curve, it's very similar, so I'm going to gloss over some things that I've explained already in detail in the other macro. Here we go with our sheets. Basically, again, we're looping through the gauges that we have selected in the RFC sheets. Okay, so now we're looping and we're doing a separate connection for each gauge. So we're going to do a different web query each time we have a different gauge. Here's again our kind of stub URL. Basically you throw your gauge number at the end of there, and then bam, that's the website that has the rating curve. So we refresh our table, and again, now we need to, we've got it here, now we need to copy the meat of the table into the proper columns here. So the next bit of code, so here we refreshed, now we're basically getting the range that we're going to copy, this copy range, which should be something like, you know, all of this selection. Basically we're going to copy that. So this is all figuring out how to select that range and copy it. So we've got it, now we need to go to our other sheet and paste it in. So to find the column where we need to insert it, basically going to go through each column in our rating sheet, and when we find a match, gauge number here to the gauge number that we are currently processing in here, we find a match. If that value equals the gauge number we're at, then bam, clear out the rating curve that we already have, basically copy in the new curve, and there we go. If we never find the, you know, this number never matches the number that we're currently on, then we'll just add it to that little message that pops up at the end. And so then we plop up the message at the end, and that's it. I think that's all I've got. Questions can come to me, ryan.cahill@usace.army.mil. Hopefully this helps. I would, you know,